Hi everyone, welcome to App Mentor channel. In this very short video, I'll show you how to easily change background in Wix website. So upon entering the website, you will be taken to this default setup or home page. And from here, you just basically need to click on this Edit Site button. And you will be taken to the website editor. And depending where you want to change your background, for example, I will use this Our Top Picks page with all of these photos over here. From here, you need to click on these three dots where it says More Actions, and then click on Change Background. And in here, in the background, you can choose the color, image, and a video. For example, I will choose a preset video. Let's take this snowy mountain. And bam, now your background is changed and your parts of the website or the section will look much fancier and more beautiful. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If this helped, do not forget to support our channel by liking the video, subscribing, and leaving a comment if this helped. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.